Okay, so at a temperature, there's a generic metal hydroxide, and it's mixed with pure water, resulting in an equilibrium solution of pH 10.26. So let's first write down what's going on. There's a metallic hydroxide, and it's placed in water, so it's going to dissociate. There's OH is -1. That means the generic metal is going to be a +2. There's 2 hydroxides, so that's where I'm getting 2 negatives, 2 positives, neutrals out, a balanced equation. So my solubility is going to be concentration of the metal times the concentration of hydroxide. That's going to be squared. Okay. Now the question is, how much hydroxide do I have? So let's do a small ice table. And when I first put the metal hydroxide in, I have 0 metal and 0 hydroxide. Okay? The moment I'm placing the solid in. But then I'm going to get a change, and for every 1 mole of metal I get, I'm going to get 2 moles of hydroxide. So that means at equilibrium, I have x and 2x, so that's x times 2x squared. But the question is, what does 2x equal? So they give you that the pH equals 10.26. Okay. What does this mean? It means the negative log of the hydrogen concentration equals 10.26. Now, we don't want to deal with hydrogen, we want hydroxide. So there's something called POH, and that equals 14 minus the pH, or 14 minus 10.26, which is going to equal 3.74. Okay? And again, that's going to equal the negative log, that's what P stands for, of, in this case, it's going to be the hydroxide concentration. So if I multiply both sides by -1, I have the log, and this is base 10, of hydroxide equals -3.74, and this is logarithmic form. I can put it in exponential form. 10 to the -3.74 equals the concentration of OH. That means the concentration of OH is 1.8 times 10 to the -4. Okay, so that's my 2x. Okay? So that equals my 2x. My x is going to be that number divided by 2, or 9.1 times 10 to the -5th. So now I'm going to plug those things in. So I've 9.1 times 10 to the -5th times 1.8 times 10 to the negative 4th. That is squared. Okay. And that's going to equal my KSP. So KSP equals 2.95 times 10 to the negative 12th.